What if you could create a fully functional AI agent with just one line of code? No complex API setups, no authentication headaches, no boilerplates, just pure simplicity. Today, I'm introducing you to ADK-TS, the framework that's revolutionizing how we build AI agents. Welcome to this comprehensive series on ADK-TS, the Agent Development Kit for TypeScript. I'm Timowa from IQAI, and over the next 8 videos, we are going to deep into everything this framework offers. Whether you are new to AI development or you are already building agents and want a better way, this series will transform how you think about AI agent development. By the end of this journey, you will understand what ADK-TS is about, how to use tools with it, MCP integrations, multi-agent systems, workflows, and a whole lot more. But today, we start with the foundation. What exactly is ADK-TS? ADK-TS stands for Agent Development Kit for TypeScript. Created by IQAI, it's inspired by Google's Python ADK, but built specifically for the TypeScript and JavaScript ecosystem. Here is the problem it solves. Building AI agents traditionally means juggling API calls, managing authentications, handling rate limits, passing responses, maintaining conversation state, and so much more. It's like trying to build a car from scratch when all you want to do is drive. ADK-TS changes this completely. Here are the 5 features that make it really special. First, it's batteries included. You get tools, section management, state persistence, and multi-agent orchestration right out of the box. Everything you need is already there. Second, it's type safe. Full TypeScript support means your IDE helps you every step of the way. Autocomplete, type checking, fewer runtime errors. Third, it's production ready. Built-in state management, database integration, and proper error handling means your agent can handle real-world usage from day one. Fourth, multi-agent support. You can orchestrate teams of specialized agents working together. We will cover this in later videos. And fifth, it's incredibly simple. Let me show you what I mean. Here's literally all the code you need to create a working AI agent. You import the agent builder from ADK-TS. You pass in the model you want to use, and you ask the question you want the agent to answer. That's it. One import, one chain, one response. Under the hood, ADK-TS is handling API authentication, request formatting, response passing, error handling, basically everything. But ADK-TS isn't just about simple queries. The real power comes from the AgentBuilder API. Let's look at this. This fluent interface lets you configure everything about your agent, its personality, capabilities, tools, all with zero boilerplate. Do you also notice how readable this is? ADK-TS makes your code as clear as your intentions. What we have covered today is just the beginning. You've seen how ADK-TS eliminates complexity and makes AI agent development accessible. But agents that can only answer questions are just the start. In our next video, we will explore tools and AI SDK integration, how to give your agents real capabilities like performing calculations, calling APIs, searching the web, and working with any AI model you choose. That's where things get really exciting. If you are ready to revolutionize how you build AI agents, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Each video in this series builds up on the last video, giving you the complete picture of what's possible with ADK-TS. I have left all important links in the description below, including links to our documentation, GitHub repository, example projects, and our Discord community, where you can get help and connect with other ADK-TS developers. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And remember, with ADK-TS, building AI agents is now as simple as traditional software development. See you in the next video.